I'm here at the Huntington Beach Police Department on the unveiling of their new MD-500 helicopter. It's a beautiful paint job on this thing, brand new. We'll do just a little walk around for you. There's a media event that's going to start at 10 o'clock this morning. I'll give you a little bit of the scene here. Got my tripod set up there to do a video of the presentation. You take a little walk around here. Light won't be good looking this way, so I won't do this for too long. Just give you a little bit of the scene here. ABC 7. My friend Damon right here. He's the man. Love doing these walk-arounds.
So what do you want me to do?
Hi there. Who's this guy? No, I was talking about you. I'm talking on my video. The man.